You searched for how to buy shares of Marketaxess Holdings Inc., so here is a concise walkthrough. Marketaxess operates electronic trading platforms for credit markets and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MKTX. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy MKTX, you will need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify the account, typically by uploading a government ID, and you must add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MKTX to find Marketaxess Holdings Inc. Make sure you select the listing on NASDAQ that matches the MKTX ticker before proceeding. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for MKTX. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct security. To invest, choose the buy or trade action and enter the amount you want to invest. Then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be placed. After the order fills, your MKTX position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for a link if you want to follow the platform examples shown in this video.